Hi, I'm Adam with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a machine has a little bit of an issue. Depending on what kind of machine you're looking for and how much you want to spend, this might be perfect for you. This is our stock number P1071. It's an Amada Shear, 6 foot. We'll cycle this a few times. Now you can see this little area right here. There's actually a brass bushing that needs to be replaced, causing a little bit of chatter for the top blade coming down. Now, it's not a huge job to replace it, but there's definitely some taking apart of this shear to make sure that you can get to that just to put on another brass bushing. That's why the price is what it is, and it's an as-is machine. This machine, we don't really have our whole team available to go through it and make sure everything's working on it. So that's why we're showing you in this video what does work and what doesn't, basically. This has a screen. It's really hard to see, but you can see right there, it does have a counter for the back gauge. Back gauge is moving back and forth. We'll show that. Go ahead back there. So you got a little indicator on there. It's showing it back and forth. I'll just make a couple cuts to see how that goes. So you can see, if you come take a look over here, you can see kind of what's happening. There's a little bit of a bend kind of where it's making this cut. That's kind of what's happening when the blade's coming down. It's loosened that one bushing, and it's kind of giving this kind of movement to it. If this is the type of machine, if you want to save a lot of money, you want to do a little bit of work yourself, the part for it shouldn't be very hard to get. It's just a brass bushing. You could probably even have it made. That needs to be replaced. Otherwise, it does seem to be working pretty well. Give us a call if this is the type of machine that you're looking for. It's 626-444-0311. Check out our website for a full listing of all types of new and as well as used machines on sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.